In front of me is a 2019 F250 Power Stroke Platinum. I legit cannot believe it happened. So 2019, basically everything is stock, which is really weird, but it has this Ford logo. I don't know if the truck needs to be off to do that, but it has that sequential lighting, which I'll show you guys in a second. Oh, sick. Obviously LED lighting. I mean, this is a Platinum, it's fully loaded, but stock suspension, basically everything else is stock. Just got the windows tinted 5% all the way around, and windshields at 50%, and then obviously it has the dynamic moonroof, which is really cool. Can't believe GMC doesn't offer this. Maybe they will on the 2021s, but just look at the interior. That this is, I wish Denali's made this color, and in a way it makes me want to get a High Country instead of a Denali just for like this color interior. And another cool thing about Platinums is comes with power steps from the factory. I mean, you spent all that much money and you get power steps, and oh my gosh, another thing, this has massage chairs. So if you press that button, it starts massaging your back and your butt. I mean, it really makes sense to spend all this money and get all these features that Denali doesn't offer. Denali doesn't come with power steps, no massage chairs, no sunroof. Yeah, it's like maybe $10,000 cheaper than these Platinums, but this truck was about $70,000. It's just 2019. So yeah, it's definitely more than a Denali, but you do get a lot more out of it by paying that extra fee. Window tint.
Can I get a #1 Big Mac meal?
This man's got his door open.
Sweet tea with no ice.
You know why I'm here?
Say that again. Let me also do a #6 10-piece meal.
Your drink?
Let me do a Coke with light ice.
Anything else?
That's it.
But you know why I'm here?
Sorry?
That's it. Thank you. Chill, bro.
Bro, I might have to switch over. His seats are massaging my butt right now.
Yes, sir.
Honestly, I could see why people switch over to Platinums.
Just for the massaging seats?
Just for the massaging seats. And look at, oh my god, look at this truck go!
Okay, it's a Holden's truck, huh?
It's a little faster than Holden's. Dude, I can't believe you sold your Denali for this.
Definitely a good decision.
And another thing that's really hard to believe, he made money off of his Denali. I'm not gonna say how much, but he definitely did not lose money after having it for a whole year, which is unheard of.
Yep, brand new. 19,000 miles on it. So
yeah.
they're good.
I mean, the market on these trucks are so high right now that you could literally resell your truck and pretty much get what you paid for. But yeah, if you guys remember, he had a 2019 Denali. Basically same color, sold it and bought this, what, the next day pretty much, a couple days later. Power steps, platy interior. What you thinking? You think I should do a Power Stroke build next?
Yeah.
You think so?
Definitely. You won't regret it.
I don't think I will, honestly. I really don't.
Feel this comfort though.
Dude, the massage chair is still going, and you really can't beat that. I don't know. We're about to go to the drag strip, so this 40-minute ride might actually convince me. So this is a 2019.
Yeah.
I heard the 2020s sit a little lower than this.
Really?
About 1.5 inches lower for some reason.
I didn't know that.
What you think of his platy?
He wanted me to get a 2020.
2020 platy?
I told him to go get this limited.
Why limited?
Why
It's
limited?
$1,000 more.
Wait, limited's higher?
Yeah. It's like the highest package.
The highest package.
I always thought
120.
platinum was higher.
It's like 100 to 100. Yeah, it's about 100,000.
Well, I did find one. Yeah.
But isn't that wait? So, but the F-150s, is it the same way with F-150s too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They're limited because they only make a limited number of them.
Is that really what it is? Oh, shit! I thought platinum was always higher. Look at that. DeMonte's new whip. Jesus. What are those? 36s? 32s. Jesus. Jesus.
What size? 32.
32s. Bring that snake back. Oh, shit. Which one you want?
Did you see the flames off the truck? Oh man.
Dude, they were like,
The whole in truck flames. The blue won because I think black car red lit.
Is that what?
The left side won because I think the right side red lit.
The what?
Red lit.
Red lit.
Means they went too fast. They went before the light.
How much have they been on that race?
The one got bet a band. on the literally just I was like, holy crap, here's $1,000. Woo! Drag racing's intense. I miss it.
We need to come out here more often.
We need to build a race truck.
Race truck.
Yeah, man, a race truck. Get a truck out here that'll do 7-second passes.
Can you tell everybody why they're not showing times right now?
It's grudge matches. So basically everybody who's here, who's racing, they can't see their times because if they want to race later for money, then if you know that I run an 11-second pass,
Yeah, busted.
yeah. But the thing is he won, but he may have run over 11. So
Yeah.
that's why he stopped halfway down the track.
Oh.
He either way he won, but when they see the times down there, like let's say that I wanted to race you for money, and your car is a 10-second car, but you see my time's an 11-second car, you obviously want to race me for money, but if you don't know the times, y'all can meet up together, you know, barter on what you want to do. If you want to give me half a car length, if you want to do 100 shot of nitrous or whatever, and y'all can get a lot of money in it that way. So
there's a lot of betting going on right
a
now.
lot of money in drag racing. What happened there was he probably had too much nitrous.
Yeah, you
So
think
when
so?
on the launch, he probably had too much nitrous going in. He should have probably gradually put it in there more.
The whole top of the motor blew up, huh?
Either that or the entire. So the nitrous goes into your intake.
Yeah.
So basically, air. There was either too much nitrous and not enough air, or too much air and not enough nitrous. I can't remember the mixture, but basically it goes kaboom.
It went kaboom, and I should have filmed it, but I missed it.
Yeah. That was a lot of fire.
We'll try to get one more. We'll try to get the next one on film.
Nah, the rest of these cars are built pretty good.
Yeah.
They got really good tuners. Probably put it just like that.
Is that good?
Yeah, I would say so.
I hope so.
Huh?
I hope so. That's a brand new GoPro. Get out of the way, get out.
I had to bend down and pick up my beer to scoot over.